Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am flipping through a new sticker book that releases today from Mojo Jojoplans. This one is Check It Off Glitter and Foil. So if you want some glitter and foil sticker books, and this is a nice book that just has the functional checklist and bullet points, definitely check this video out. I will have this Jojo's site linked down in the description. I have my affiliate link, also a discount code if you're interested in purchasing. I love Jojo's foil and her glitter stickers. I usually don't like the foil stickers from some companies, but she does a really good job with her foil. And I like adding it in on like holidays, especially like New Year's, doing a Christmas spread with some foil boxes. Some of the glitter ones are really cute too. Like a birthday spread. These are a fun addition. So I'm going to flip through this book. Also, I think, I wanted to mention just some things that are restocking, because Jojo's really good about restocking books, and I use her books all the time. I'll constantly using some kind of box sticker book or functional sticker book like this in a spread. She's actually restocking some of her currently word sticker books, so definitely check that out. There's the regular currently and a rainbow currently restocking. So yeah, I'm gonna flip through this book now, and you can see all the fun glittery stickers in here. All right, so here is the red section. So you got this thicker red glitter and then more of the powdery thinner one here. So two reds. And then orange, yellow, green. We have the blues, purple, and the checklist and bullet points, pink. This one's like the neutral page. We got some blacks and silvers. And then we have some different bullet points. So you have some box ones, some squares, and little triangle ones. In all the colors. Now we're getting into the foil. See, I like Jojo's foil because it never, like, it doesn't get too washed out, basically, with the lighting. So that's good. So we have it's like a matte foil. That's why I really like it. It's a good foil. So we have the red section, then orange, yellow, green, the blues, purple, I love the purple ones, pink, and then we got the neutrals. I really like this is black, but then you got this like coppery one right here, brown toned one. That one is so pretty. And then silver. Oops, sorry, moving my camera. And then we have the foiled squares and triangles in all the colors. Okay, so that is the Check It Off Glitter and Foil sticker book. It's currently available now to purchase. I just want to do a quick flip through so that way you could see all the stickers. Definitely will be using this in some upcoming spreads. So check out that link if you're interested in purchasing. Again, I have a discount code for 10% off your sticker book if you use that code. And this one is $20. Oh, it's a 23-page sticker book. It's $20, and it is, yeah, $20 plus shipping for this book. All right, so that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching me flip through this new book. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.